Right, what I'm going to do now is show you how to purl stitch. So, I've cast on 10 stitches. So when you're purling, you come in from back to front, all right? So bring your needle through there to the front. So you're almost again doing a cross. So then wrap your yarn around and then push it through there and then slide it off like you do a knit. So when you're purling, this yarn is always at the front. So you're going through the front. There we go, like that. All right. Like that. So you're coming up from the back to the front. Wrap it round. Slide it off. So again, you're coming from the back to the front, making a cross. You're wrapping it around there. And then slide it off the needle. So again, making a cross, wrapping it round, pulling it through and off. Make a cross like that, then you'll know that you're right at the front with this needle, with the yarn at the front, all right? So through there. So again, through the front, you're going from front to back like that. So let me do a couple more and then we'll start the other row. We'll do another purl row. There we go. So that's your first purl row. You can see the purls because of the bubbles. So we're going to go now and we're going to do another purl row. So again, front to back, from back to front, like that. You're making a cross, wrap it round. Again, through there, making a cross, like that. There we go. As easy as that. So keep going along. This is all your purls now. So it's as easy as that. So you always make sure the yarn's at the front for a purl and yarn at the back for a knit. So keep doing that. So again, from back to front, wrap around, back to front, wrap around. So you're making a cross at the front. Can you see? And that's all there is to it. That is now how you purl. As easy as that. And look how effective that is. All right. So carry on doing that. Whatever the pattern says for a purl, carry on doing a purl. But that is as easy as that.